No, cover it. Good morning, good morning. We're going to Tahoe. So look at that and me packing everything.
Too big.
No, you have to wrap it all around like this.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Daddy and husband. Look at all the vineyard. Baby is doing really good. He hasn't cried. Good job, baby. We stopped at wholesome Costco. Had a little break, bathroom break. And now we are on our way.
We're gonna stop again.
Oh, they have quick car wash. That's nice. So if you get a membership, you can wash it like multiple times in a month. Why are you crying, Baba? Folsom is so pretty, actually. It's a beautiful place. This day was perfect and sunny as we drove up to South Lake Tahoe. This time, we were driving up just to spend a few hours walking the city and to have a picnic overlooking the lake waters. You don't see all these green trees in the Central Valley. So it's so refreshing to see all these greeneries and the mountains. So beautiful. My husband is going to complain because I'm talking like this. 1, 2, 3. So we're taking risk. Baby has to be fed, but he's sleeping, so we are just moving. Let's do it. There is nothing as refreshing as escaping, even if for a few hours, from the daily routine. As we drove into Tahoe, we couldn't help but appreciate that we got to share this moment with our parents and our little one. Every mile we drove brought a breath of fresh mountain air and an aura of relaxation.
Bye-bye. And he's okay. Told you. So we finally made it to South Lake Tahoe, and last time I was here with my wife, we didn't make it to the city, so we're now in the city, and yeah, she's getting some of our fun and enjoyment. And but his eyes, isn't it too bright though? Look. Where do you want to go? Because you'll have to walk up. The crosswalk is there.
As we walked, I kept thinking, those who call South Lake Tahoe home are some of the luckiest around. They wake up every day to towering pines, crisp mountain air, and stunning blue lake right in their backyard. While the rest of us come here to escape, they get to live this beauty. Morning hikes, afternoons on the water, sunsets behind snow-capped peaks. Nature is their neighbor, adventure is their routine, and every season brings something magical. It will be quite the experience having this as our everyday life, though one has to factor in that it's quite expensive to live in South Lake Tahoe. While the area offers a beautiful natural environment and an outdoor recreational opportunity, it does come at a premium.
All the family, and we just walked in. So fun fact, right across the street is the state of Nevada. And where I'm standing in California right now, and that lady in the bicycle is in Nevada. Awesome. What's this called? Sasquatch? Mr. Sasquatch over there. Don't know what the family is thinking about. Buying a fridge magnet for Carly's sister. Which one?
Mom wants the one with the bear.
Oh, Mom wants that?
But Dad wants this one because it's door. This is pretty.
Made it to Lake Tahoe, the El Dorado Beach, right? El Dorado Beach, and just a day out. Come have some lunch here. Hello, Mama.
Trying to sanitize everything.
Yeah, trying to clean everything. She's trying to sanitize an outdoor bench and table. Great. And here you have Mom and Dad enjoying themselves. Mama, hello.
Yeah.
Oh, Dad is busy. But there you go. The beautiful scenery of Lake Tahoe. Yeah, we had to dress him in that because it's kind of breezy. Hello. A choo-choo-choo.
I live at Lake Tahoe.
There we go. And
Look at Mom like doing that. We found the perfect shaded spot with a table, bench to lay out our picnic. Home-cooked rice, chicken, and lentil stew. Sometimes it's moments like this where the simplest things make the best memories.
Family's done with food.
That's a lot of food.
Huh?
That's a lot of food. And it was good.
Yep.
Very, very good. And now it's baby feeding time. distracted.
Got some people paragliding off in the distance.
For a moment, just watching those people paragliding, that felt like flying too. The feeling of freedom, being free from the limits of gravity, being so high and having a different perspective. Do what makes you happy when you have the opportunity. Someday we will look back on these videos and relive just how lucky and blessed we were to have spent them with those we love. From our family to yours, thank you for watching. Until the next one.